Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make Windows taskbar transparent. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, click on it. In here you just need to search for trans TRANSLUCENT TB Transland TB. Just need to search for it. You just need to click on it guys, this logo 4.3 rating, click on it, click on the get option. As you can see over here, the taskbar is invisible in this display images. After getting install done, you just need to click on open it, and now as you can see my taskbar is invisible. Now click on continue. Now my taskbar is transparent. So just right click on the taskbar and select taskbar setting. Scroll down, click on this taskbar behaviors, click on taskbar alignment left or center, set it by your preferences guys. And so if you want to get back to original taskbar, all you have to do is right click on the start icon and select installed apps. You just need to search for Translant TB. You just need to click on this three dot icon and select uninstall. By uninstalling this application, we can get back to the original taskbar guys. Uninstalling. As you can see, my taskbar has been visible now, and that's how you make your taskbar transparent and get back to original again. So if you want to transparent again, you just need to go to Microsoft Store and install the application and just open it guys, and that will get back to the transparent taskbar again. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.